Setting stock for individual slots is time-consuming, so I recommend doing it only when adding specific products to the machine. For new machines or a complete stock overhaul, use the bulk stock feature. I'll guide you through it step by step in this video. What you will need to start: 1. A properly formatted USB to FAT32. How to properly format it you can learn in the video titled Formatting USB. 2. A computer or laptop. 3. Your product images. We will start by exporting the machine inventory and transferring it as an Excel sheet onto your USB. Insert the USB drive into the vending machine. Open Admin Settings by tapping the ID button 5 times. Enter your password to access Admin Settings. Tap Set Purchasing. Scroll down and tap Export next to Export Cargo Channel Information. This is to export an Excel file where you will be able to fill in all the product data. Go to System Settings and open ES Browser. Locate the file named tcnproducts.xls, which contains all slot information. Press and hold the file for 2 seconds, then tap Cut at the bottom. Open the sidebar, select your USB drive, and paste the file there. Step number 2. Edit on computer. Remove the USB from the vending machine and insert it into your computer. Please rotate your phone to the side. Open the USB drive in your computer's File Explorer. Open the tcnproducts.xls Excel file. Here is the top row of the vending machine. The row comes preset with every 2 slots merged. Column B, you will fill in the product name, for example here, Lay's Chips. Column C, you would put the product type such as bag, bottle, or can. Column D, add the item description. Column E, enter the image name as saved in the Image Goods folder. Create an Image Goods folder on the USB drive and save product images there. Write the product name as it appears in the folder, adding the file extension, example.png. Your machine supports PNG, SVG, or JPEG files. Column F, disregard. Column G, set the product price. Column H, put the number of units you are stocking the machine with. Column I, fill in the slot capacity. Fill out each row for all items, save the file, then safely eject the USB and reinsert it into the vending machine. Please rotate your phone back. Step number 3. Import into machine. Open Admin Settings by tapping ID 5 times. Type in your password. Tap Open ES Browser. Open your USB file. Find the file called tcnproducts.xls. Hold down on that for 2 seconds and tap Copy on the bottom. We will bring this file from the USB drive into the internal drive. Go and tap the menu sidebar, tap Home, and hit Paste on the bottom to paste it in. Now let's get the images over. Tap Menu, tap USB, tap Image Goods. Copy over the images. Hit Copy, hit Menu, hit Home, hit TCN Folder, Image Goods, Paste. To import the data, tap the sidebar menu and select Exit. Go to Product Management and tap Set Purchasing. Scroll down and tap Import next to Import Cargo Channel Information. The data from your Excel sheet should now be successfully imported. Restart your machine and your products will be ready. I hope that was easy. Thank you for watching.